This video is for people configurations on ASTPP. This is the dashboard of admin portal. From configurations, from settings, we have to configure the PayPal account from here, from payment methods. So from here for PayPal, we have to fill these details. This live URL and sandbox URL will be remain same. We don't have to do any changes on here. Here we have options for live ID and sandbox ID. So I have the sandbox ID, so I have put here my sandbox IP ID, and so I have selected environment sandbox. Then here is one field is there, that is fee, and if we want to apply some extra fee on my product as an admin, whatever product I will create for my customers or for my resellers, so if I want to apply some fee, then I can do it from here. I need to select enable, then whatever the fee, that means tax, I want to apply, how much percentage, it may be 1% of the total price of the product, or maybe 5% of total price of the product, so I can do it from here. Then PayPal option, we need to make it enable, and then I need to click on save. So once we do this, so let me show you how we can purchase product from PayPal account using PayPal account. So suppose this is my customer account, so I will get into my customer account and I will going to purchase one product. Suppose this product I will going to purchase. So here I need to click on pay with PayPal, and whatever the email ID I can mention here, and then click on PayPal pay now, so that the site will be redirected to the PayPal account. So here I need to log in with my account to pay with PayPal. Then let me log in with the password. Once I have put my email ID and the password for my PayPal account, so now right now I am in this page. So if I am having balance in my PayPal wallet, then I can use my balance, otherwise any card, Visa card. So suppose let me use this card, okay, and click on pay now. So this is how as a customer I can buy a product using PayPal account. So one more thing I need to show you here. So whatever, like whenever we will pay with the PayPal, there will be some charges with from the PayPal side. Okay, so suppose as a admin I want to add my own charges for the product. That means my own product tax, whatever suppose if there is a $125 product, if I want to take 5% of tax for that product, so suppose I will do it from here, make it enable 5%. Okay, so let me save it. So now if I go to customer account, if I log in as a customer, suppose I am the customer, and if now I will purchase the product, so what will happen when I will click on order and going to pay with PayPal? So charges will be going to apply according to the tax. Before it was 0, now it was 5%. So now you can see the total cost of the product, $26, 26.36 Canadian dollar. So before it was 25.10. So it is because due to I have applied 5% fee, tax fee from the settings of my ASTPP. So now whenever my customers or reseller will purchase any of my product, of my admin product, so they will be going to charge 5% of tax of the total price of the product. So this is how we can pay, means with the PayPal for any products on ASTPP.